Lexi Hubbard here with Bright Beauty, and I wanted to show you guys how I do my blowouts. So I started with a shampoo and conditioner that is for volume. I'm using these Fave 4 products today. Love them. Also love that it's a Dallas female entrepreneur, so we're all about supporting other female entrepreneurs. This is Beyond Big for voluminous hair, and Let's Go Light, just a really lightweight conditioner. They smell amazing too, y'all. Then I'm going to use this detangler by Fave 4. It's Dearly Detangled. And I'm just spraying a little bit. I don't need a whole lot. I'm going to take my wet brush through it. That I need to get down here. Just some curtain bangs. And I'm going to start, before I even section my hair, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry these bad boys. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm actually going to go ahead and put Smooth for Sure in it, but I do want to go ahead and get this, work this in, and this is a great little blowout cream that I'm going to work through. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to section my hair, and I'm going to start with this top section. Okay, then I want to section right behind the ear. And then I'm going to pin that out of the way. Then I'm going to begin by blow drying the sides out. Now I'm doing a very simplified blowout here, quick and easy, because I know that's what you want to do too. See how there's that nice little bounce in that wave? Okay, perfect. Now, let's do the other side. Okay, now the sides are done. We're going to do this top section here at the end. Depending on how thick your hair is, I have pretty thick hair, so I'm going to divide this into 3 sections to blow dry. Again, I want to keep this fast and easy. There's so many different ways to do blowouts. You can do a lot of curl, waves, all kinds of fun stuff. But for this, we're keeping it on the go. Section 1, right down here. And blow. All right, now I'm going to take my second section. Last section back here. Okay, now I'm going to show you the best trick ever. Are you ready for this? Okay, once you have it, it's pretty much dry, and you have it wrapped around your brush like this. Take a light hold working hairspray. I'm going to use the Flex Reflect by Fave 4 and just spray right at the root. Over direct, and you're going to hit that spray with some heat. That's going to set it and give you that lift. Hit it with the full shot. And I'm going to roll the rest of this down. Perfect. To the other side. Okay, now we're left with this top section. And we're just going to go section by section, drawing it back and all the way up. Can you see how much volume I have there from that? And if you want extra boom, you can wrap that and then pin it. This little piece here is the last one. Okay, then the last thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of silk in it. So I'm going to use the old school bio silk. I still love this stuff, but there's so many great brands out there that make a shine serum. Kenra makes a really good one that I love. Work that in really good. And I'm actually going to do the flip and work it through my hair. Keeping that shine at the, mainly at the ends. And there you have it. Lots of volume, lots of shine. I've got my set ready to go.